When they opened the door, the marshal was there, the police was there, and I just watched all my stuff going out. And that was the worst thing of my life.
About 10 years ago, when my building was bought by a predatory equity landlord, it made me angry to see that people were being unfairly kicked out. It made me angry in a way that was just like, I cannot just do nothing about it. And so that's how I ended up getting involved in tenant organizing work.
When I say we are fighting to stay, it means that we want to put down permanent roots. But what has been happening is that we have been forced to move through gentrification, urban renewal, all kinds of fancy names for pushing people out of the communities.
Evictions are a result of the fact that the majority of the tenants are not represented when they go into housing court. There's inequity, there's an imbalance when the fact that they're not represented, but most landlords are.
All the years before, tenants went with no lawyers.
A lot of us think that we are in this battle alone. But some of us know that that is not necessarily so. There are places to go, there are resources there that's available to us that we can use that to help us.
One of the importance of, with the right to counsel is this idea that people will feel empowered to do things that they might not, which is organize, form tenants associations and whatnot. It's by virtue of community, it's by virtue of getting together that we're able to gather that power, gather that momentum to actually cause change.
We have to let the landlords, especially the predatory landlords and developers, know. And some of us do know our rights and we're not afraid to fight for them.
If there's any way to prevent these evictions from happening, if there's any way to prevent people from being able to stay in their homes, the right to counsel is such an important component of it.
The right to counsel starts the process of leveling the playing field in housing court. The reaction or the behavior of the judge, the court personnel, and even the landlord's attorneys are different. It is more respectful.
It's a difference between having to face these issues on your own as opposed to knowing that you've got a whole community that has your back. So for us, with the Right to Counsel movement, it's about making sure that people are aware, increasing awareness, expanding awareness of the right, and making sure that people exercise it.
We need to have a place where we can live, where we can be a community, so that we can have a real home.